in love. I never thought that I could ever fall in love. My angel that fell from above to me and you as one, ascend from two doves. Never thought that I could ever fall in love. I never thought that I could ever fall in love. I never thought that
Just like Adam and Eve had problems from the beginning, but together we be. Robbing ribs from out my cavity, so a part of you is a part of me, so sticking to your side is not a thought of me. Asking if I'm leaving is like asking if I ought to read all. Walking around without your knees all. A stray cat without the fleas all. A locked door without the keys all. A thermometer with no degrees all. A philosopher with no degrees all. A musty pit with no degrees. I'm rusty, you my WD-40, so smother me more, please. Your love is like my morphine, and they call me morphine. Stay calmer than a cool breeze. Stay calmer than a June breeze. Never knowing if you're uneased, don't argue or disagree, amazed by your